Okay, so this time we will convert the general form of the circle into its standard form. So just as the same process with the circle, we will do completing the square. So in this case, you need to combine first the like terms. So first x squared, so that is x squared plus 10x, okay, and this is plus 4y squared minus 8y is equal to, you move that here, so you have negative 13. Next is we need to factor this first. So you have x squared plus 10x plus 4 times, so this is y squared. 4y squared divided by 4, that is y squared. Negative 8y divided by 4, you have 2y is equal to negative 13. Next is to add the last term of this to make that a perfect square. Okay, so you have x squared plus 10x. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 5 times 5 is 25. So you have plus 25. So since you added 25 there, you need to add also 25 to this side. Okay, enclose this by a parenthesis. And the next plus 4 times y squared minus 2y. So that is a negative 2 divided by 2. It's negative 1. Negative 1 times negative 1, or negative 1 squared, is plus 1. Okay, so what will you add here? Okay, so since you've divided, so what you added here is, if we're going to multiply 4 and 1, that is 4. So you need to add 4 plus 4. Not 1. Not 1, ha? That is 4. Kasi 4 times 1 is 4. This will take as an expression. Next is to factor. So you have x plus 5 squared plus 4 times y minus 1 squared is equal to, so that is negative 13 plus 25 plus 4, that is equal to 16. Okay, next is to make this expression. This is the right hand side. The right hand side should be equal to 1. Should be equal to 1. So you need to divide this 16 by the number which will make it 1. So that is also 16 divided by 16. But since you divide 16, you also need to divide 16 to the other side. So what we have here is x plus 5 squared over 16 plus, so this will be y minus 1 squared. Okay, 4 and 16. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 16 divided by 4 is 4. And this will be 16 divided by 16 is 1. So this will be your standard form.